Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. It's a travel video. Where are we going? Pizza, pizza, pasta. We're going to Italy. Yes. Hello, mic testing.
हेलो
Mic testing, mic testing. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है वहाँ देखो कि यहाँ I'm getting confused.
अच्छा
Yeah. Anyway.
this is my debut with the mic and we are going to the south of Italy and
Vloggers.
एंगल ठीक करो यार मेरी स्किन अच्छी आनी चाहिए
ऐसे?
यस
Okay. Now?
हाँ लोग ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं हम लोग फ्लाइट ले रहे हैं ब्रसेल से
Brussels.
इन बेल्जियम
Yeah.
तो
Dames en heren, volgend station Schiphol Airport.
स्कीपोल
Verder
एयरपोर्ट
naar Rotterdam
Schiphol
Centraal,
Airport,
Antwerpen
Amsterdam
Centraal
Airport.
en Brussel Zuid.
यस
Mesdames et messieurs, prochain arrêt Schiphol, l'aéroport. Centraal, komt u.
Okay, we are back. So we are going to south of Italy and our first city is Rome.
रोम
But basically हम लोग एम्स्टर्डम एयरपोर्ट से नहीं ले रहे हैं फ़्लाइट बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा हद से ज़्यादा महंगी थी तो हम एम्स्टर्डम एयरपोर्ट से फ़्लाइट नहीं ले रहे हैं वी आर टेकिंग इट फ्रॉम ब्रसल्स एयरपोर्ट राइट एंड तो हमने अपने घर से कैब ली कैब से वी केम टू जाउट स्टेशन फ्रॉम वेयर यू हैव ब्रसल्स
Eurocity direct.
यूरोसिटी डायरेक्ट ट्रेन एंड नाउ वी आर इन द ट्रेन राइट नाउ एंड अभी कुछ खाएंगे ब्रसल्स ट्रेन स्टेशन पहुंचेंगे वहाँ से एयरपोर्ट जाएंगे एंड देन वी हैव आवर फ्लाइट टू आवर फर्स्ट स्टॉप विच इज़ द सिटी ऑफ रोम saying yes no but you have to say something no?
I'm very excited for Italy.
You don't look
because-
excited you look nervous
That's the way I am because I'm just trying to get comfortable with,
With the
the
mic.
camera and mic. Yes. So this is the first time I'm doing this.
and with his wife
Yes. Yes. She's the one making me comfortable. So
so sweet
yeah.
cute green forest
Yes. Yes. Of course.
ओके अब
चलो,
खाना
खा
है
लेते हैं।
अब खाना है भूख लग रही है वील सी यू सम टाइम लेटर बाय I remember when you were coming back from Brussels.
Welcome on board this Eurocity direct train to Antwerp Central Station.
Okay, so we are in Belgium, in Brussels, and अभी लेनी है बस टू द एयरपोर्ट. आप बताएंगे कुछ कि नहीं?
हाँ तो ब्रसेल्स मेडी से हमें बस लेनी है
Charleroi, हाँ, airport, and then yes, the station is just 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes walk. So yeah, one last change and then we'll be on our flight finally. So this is the train station and जो आप लोग को रिले और ये सब दिख रहा है वही वाले एंट्री एग्जिट से हम लोग निकले हैं and this is the station and this is where the buses are. यहाँ पे I think आपको दिख रहा होगा Flipco or something. Yeah, so this is the bus that goes to the airport. The stop is right in front of the station. Generally, I think flights from Amsterdam airport are very expensive, like shit expensive. हमने पहले भी किया है that we take a flight from Brussels. थोड़ा hectic हो जाता है, but you save a lot of cost, like a good amount of the cost, so you save money. So that's why we are taking flight from Brussels. Yeah, थोड़ा ज़्यादा strain हो जाता है, but it's okay.
वहाँ से मोस्टली रायनेयर और
Wizz Air.
ऑल बजट फ्लाइट्स
Yeah.
निकलते हैं
Yeah.
और वही इट्स अ स्मॉल एयरपोर्ट relatively.
Exactly, and there's one more airport in Netherlands, which is Eindhoven, but that is like around 4-5 hours away from our place. But वहाँ से भी हमने check किया, it was still expensive. Like this was the cheapest option, so we took it. Like Be careful. फास्ट ट्रैक, फास्ट ट्रैक के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
I think there
More
should
like
be a
slow track.
faster track. I think.
Okay, so finally we are done with security and मेरा स्ट्रोली बैग खोला गया तो भावेश भी लॉक कर रहा है। करा कि नहीं लॉक ठीक से?
Of course.
चोरी तो नहीं होंगे मेरे कपड़े?
अरे नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं।
ओके।
क्या टेस्टिंग, इतनी टेस्टिंग करी।
तो निकी जी अब आप क्या फील कर रहे हैं? फाइनली फ्लाइट बोर्ड करेंगे इन 1.5 hours।
अच्छा लगेगा फाइनली के लिए हम निकलेंगे एंड ट्रेन बस कुछ हो गया बस वहाँ पहुँच के ब्रेकफास्ट करना है और भूख भी लग रही है।
भूख तो बहुत लग रही है एक्चुअली। सो हमने इस बार प्लान बनाया है सदर्न इटली का एंड वी आर गोइंग टू रोम, Vatican City and Naples and then Sorrento, but from Sorrento, not mainly Sorrento, we are actually going to go to Amalfi, then Positano and Ravello, Capri, Pompeii, yes, Pompeii. So Sorrento is going to be our base for that. And so yeah, it's a very extensive plan in almost 9 days, 9 or 10 days. But yeah, we are very excited.
Yeah, very excited.
Love
That's
to
how
meet-
I show my excitement.
Yeah, very excited. अब बहुत भूख लग रही है, so we're gonna go and eat something and थोड़ा अब चिल करते हैं। अब वीडियो मैं रिकॉर्ड नहीं करूँगी बिकॉज अब मैं बहुत पक गई हूँ और थक गई हूँ एंड
मुझे तो बेल्जियन बियर पीजिएगा।
exactly Belgian beer for Bhavesh and for me something sweet. So 700 rupees का veg burger, chicken burger for 800 rupees, that too in Burger King. Even for my liking. नहीं कैरमल वाला नहीं है ये, this is Oreo with Welcome to Italy. Okay, so almost reached the Airbnb finally after 12 hours of travel. Airbnb tour coming soon. Okay, so we are finally inside our Airbnb and we were talking to the Airbnb host. We got all the information. Now I'm going to show you guys what the room is like. It's actually the entire apartment. There are actually 2 rooms. I'll show you how it's like and then I'll tell you more about this. Okay, so this is the main door. This is the apartment door, the entrance door. And as soon as you come inside, on your left is the kitchen, some small dining space and a very small functional kitchen. We go out and once again the decor. In front, the mirror, some storage kind of space here, but there's the mirror and this is room 1. This is actually our room and this is room 2, which is locked. There's nobody inside, so we have the entire apartment to ourselves and this is our entire Airbnb. Okay, moving on to the room. Okay, this is the room. Nigi, आप हाय बोलेंगे? Okay. Bed, window, cupboards, TV छोटा सा, some storage cabinet and really big wardrobe and mirror. Hello. And then we have this washroom here. This is the washroom, really nice and clean. Perfect. Okay, hello. Okay, this was our Airbnb tour and now this is it for this vlog. Now we're gonna go and rest, have some food because हमने बहुत ज़्यादा travel किया. Like early हम लोग like We've been up since 7 o'clock and we've been traveling the whole day. We're very exhausted. So more to come in the upcoming vlogs. But for now, we have arrived in Rome, Italy. And that's our first stop in Italy. And tomorrow we start with day 1. We're gonna do everything. We'll take you through everything. And yeah. So I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.